Okay, it's just a quick video of the 200 horsepower Nanni. This is currently in its original paintwork as removed from the boat. And it's believed to be 2003 year with a ZF hydraulic gearbox. Hours reported to be around 410, although like most VDO rev counters with hour clocks, the hour clock works when it feels like it. But otherwise a very clean engine, so we'll start her up. And there we have it. The battery warning light is flashing occasionally on the dashboard. That's because the alternator isn't connected to a battery presently. But yeah, mechanically good, fluids are clean, good for more work.